Join your hands, everyone. Close your eyes and sit for a prayer for 2 minutes, everyone. Hello. Yes, join your hands, close your eyes, sit for prayer, everyone. As we are going to start. Okay, beta. Yes. Now you can. Hello. Yes. Open your eyes, everyone. Okay. Can you switch on the camera? So show me the homework. Randomly, I will call the students. I will call your name. You have to switch on the camera and you have to show me. Clear? Okay, fine. So now let's start. Whom should I call? Let me see the list. Okay, so starting from Khush Agara. Khush Agara, beta switch on the camera and show me the homework. Khush Agara. Khush Agara. If you are not replying, then monitor will write the name. Remember that, don't forget. In chat box also you can reply. I am outside. Okay. So you are not with book. You are not with your books. You are not with your books. Beta, you are not with your books. Reply. Khushagara. Sir, I not have. Now listen everyone first. Those who don't have worksheet, I want the worksheet today itself. I want everyone to have worksheet today itself. Tomorrow I will ask, and tomorrow if anybody doesn't have a worksheet, if you have not bought your worksheet, I will tell the monitor to write down the name and I will give it to the principal. Clear? Then don't tell me. Yesterday's name has already been sent to principal. Okay, she has asked me who was that. Okay, few of the students name I have written and she just asked me, tell me about the student. I have told. Okay, those who are not having, to them I am saying, but if you are outside or out of town, it's okay, that's another thing, but still when you come back, those who are out of town, when you come back, you should be having the worksheet and it should be completed. Is it clear? I am telling to those who are outside or out of town, but the students, those who are here only, still they don't have worksheet. So to them I am saying, by tomorrow itself you should have the worksheet with you. Is it clear? Is it clear? Those are living here still. Those are not out of town. Is it clear, beta?
Yes.
Okay, fine. So I hope that you will get your worksheets by today itself, those who don't have. Now just still I want the homework to show on the camera. So again, any other students, those who have? Yes, Neha Sanghvi. Neha, show me your homework, beta. Neha Sanghvi.
Sir, actually I don't have worksheet. My mother will go and buy today.
Beta, yesterday also I think someone has said no, I was not having. Who was that? I think Bhumi it was, no? Today, okay. Anyways, today itself you have to go and you have to get it. Tomorrow I don't want this excuse. Means to students, those who are living here, to them I am saying. Those are not out of town. To them I am saying. Tomorrow I don't want this kind of excuse. Clear? And if you are out of town, then come back very soon. Don't waste time. Beta, this I am saying it's because you are wasting your time for studies. Means somewhat somewhere you are losing something. What is that? You are losing your work. Okay, you are lagging behind. Because we will run forward, we will go and we will complete the chapter also. Then again you will remain still there only if you don't have worksheet. That's why I am saying, if you are out of town, then come back soon, get your worksheets soon and get it soon, okay? Otherwise, what will happen? Anand Stationery, if they will say that now we don't have worksheets, then nobody can do anything. It's better you go as soon as possible, or if you are out of town, then get it somehow. If any one of your friends or colleagues or relatives are coming by that your native place, so you can get it from there. Anyhow, somehow just do something. That it's up to you. You have to manage that. Anyhow, get that worksheet. Clear? And that should be completed. Should be completed in the sense you have to at least try. I want you to try the worksheet. I want you to read the textbook. I want you to solve the question answers. So that then only you will read. Otherwise, you won't get any idea. Just listening to my explanation isn't enough. Better. Why we are saying you to do this kind of activities, or why we are asking you to do this kind of completion of books? Because only just learning the chapter or studying the chapter isn't enough. You will study the whole chapter only by writing, reading, learning. Everything is included in that. Then only you will come to know an entire chapter. Not only just by attending the lectures, then you will learn everything. Wo bhi nahi. Okay, attending lectures is very, very important, but that isn't enough. Only attending the lectures isn't enough. You have to complete your notes also regularly. For that you have to read. Why are we allowing, or why are we asking you to read and show the worksheet? Why are we asking you to complete the notes? Why are we asking you to read the textbook regularly and try to solve the worksheet? Why? So that you will read and then only you can read and you will understand. No, but still, after reading, if you still don't understand, that is another matter. Then that you can ask me, no problem. Okay. But if you're not reading only, then if you want to have a doubt, for that also you have to read. No, we cannot say that you won't have doubt. You can have doubt. But for that, when you will have doubt, when you will read. Now, if you are not reading only, then when you will ask questions? Okay, now without reading, that doesn't mean that you don't have to do anything. No, you have to read. You have to ask me doubts if you have. If you're reading and if you're understanding, then no problem. Then it's very, very good. Okay, then you can easily complete your worksheets. Clear? Are you getting me what I'm saying? But beta, everyone? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now, beta, I am not scolding anyone. I am not scolding anyone. I am just saying the fact. Okay, so this is how you should study. Studying doesn't mean that only you have to attend lectures and give the attendance and then you have to go. Okay, not that. Everything is included. Completing the notes, completing the worksheet, completing the extra activities that is given, and then reading. So obviously you have to read. Then only something will go in your head or in your mind. Yes or no? Yes. So these things should be done. Now tomorrow onwards, I don't want these kind of reasons. Somehow, now those are out of town, I will give you little more time. But by next week at least you should have. Now today is Friday, no? Tomorrow is Saturday, then again Sunday. Then at least by Monday or Tuesday everyone should have worksheet. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
From once again I repeat, by next week, those who don't have worksheet should be whether you're out of town, I don't know. That you have to do anything, you have to manage. Or if you want to if you want to have a soft copy of that, okay, I will try if I can, if it's possible, I will send you the soft copy. If you want personally, I will try to send it. So if I have soft copy, then you can take a printout also of that. That also we can do. Okay, I will try to send that soft copy also. Okay, so but for that I need to check whether I have it or not. Okay, so I will check it. If I have soft copy, I will put it in the group itself. So from group you can directly download it and you can get the printout of that. Clear? That much I can do. Now if after that if you don't take printout also, then that's not my fault. Clear? I will try my own level best. I will try to help you, okay, to have your materials. Okay, so but you have to do your part. That's up to you. Clear? So that's it, beta. Now let's what we were. Is there anybody? But before starting, let me ask: is there anybody who has completed the work, who has worksheet and who has done? They can show me now. Yes. Who is there? Is there anybody?
I have completed.
Yes, beta. Who? Who, beta? Say, tell me your name. Tell me your name. Yes. 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 Hello. Tell me your name. Yes, Bhumi. Then please show me, beta. Show me in the camera. Show me. Switch on the camera and show me. Show me your work. Can you? Good. Beta, can you do it in landscape mode? Make it landscape. Hold your phone like this, not like this. Hold your phone like this and then show me. And make your camera or bring your camera near to that. Little more. Nearer to that. But I have to see like this. I have to see like this. Tilt it. Okay, can you zoom it? What have you written? Yes, what is the first question? Zoom cultivation? Produce, no? Yes. Good. Yes, fine. Okay, I can read some of your answers, but okay. Anyways, good, very good, beta. You have attempted it very well. So only Bhumi.
Also.
Yes, so I have done activity work.
Yes, I had done activity. Then show. If you have done, then show. That's what I'm asking. Activity, now you don't have a reason for that. Activity that you can do. So show me your activity. That was also homework. Yes, just show me the activity. Those who have done or those who have started. If you have started, still you have to show me. Yes, beta. This is Bhumi. Yes, history activity 1. List the what is that? Different tribal communities lived in different states. Okay, good. So in Himachal Pradesh, I cannot read it, beta. Himachal Pradesh, who are they? Gadis. Okay. Good. Gujars. Okay. Then Uttarakhand, Bhatia. Rajasthan, Saharia and Vel. Then Gujarat. Beta, make it down. Down. Little more down. Yes. From Gujarat. Gujarat, who are they? 1 Gujars. Then Madhya Pradesh, who is this? What's the name? Bay. I cannot read it. I can't read it, beta. Make it landscape. Rotate your phone. If you are rotating means I have to see like this. Madhya Pradesh. Beta. Bring your get your phone to the right hand side. Yes, go to right hand side. Madhya Pradesh. Yes. Baigas. Okay, fine. Then Uttarakhand, Santhal. Okay. Then okay, good. And turn your page. Second activity have you done? Second activity. Have you done the second activity or not done? Or just started? But a second activity, have you done, Bhumi?
Yes, sir.
Reply. Show me. Let me see how you have done. Yes, beta. I am waiting. Hello.
Sir, is it visible?
No, I cannot see. It's not visible. It's not visible, beta. It's not visible. Yes. Bhumi, are you showing on the camera? Are you showing on the camera? Your camera is on or not on?
Sir, it is on.
It's on only. Okay, now I don't know why it's not visible on my screen. Okay, anyways, beta, this much you have shown, no? That is a good thing. Okay? Okay, fine. Okay, so anyways, as of now, for today, Bhumi has shown me. Now I am not asking for you to show me today, but from Monday I want everyone's regular work. Okay, from Monday I will be little more strict, and I want the monitor to write down the names of those who have not shown the homework. Okay, especially, and those who are not replying to me. Okay, means regarding homework. So from Monday onwards I will be way stricter. So be prepared, complete your notes, complete your work. Okay, today I am leaving. Okay, today I am just not taking that action, but from Monday onwards I want everyone's regular work. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear? Okay. So now let's continue, beta. Now we were discussing on, where were we? Tribal Sadikus that we had completed up till. How did tribal groups live? No, a few points we have discussed. The second point is, so we have discussed till that hunter and gathering. Yes or no? Yesterday we have seen till hunting and gathering. So that is done. Hunting and gathering, I hope that you understood. You have already been learning that and you are well with it. So we have seen about a kind of community who are known as Khons, and they belong to which place? Khons, Khond. They belong to which place? Yes. Say.
Odisha.
They belong to which place? Yes. Orissa. Okay. And do you know what is the speciality of that? They ate fruits and roots collected from the forest. What did they used to do? They used many forest shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes. Now, what are their activities? What were their activities? They used what first? They used to eat fruits. This is 2, okay? They used to eat fruits and then they collected roots. They collected what? Roots. And next point, they used shrubs and herbs. They are all medicinal plants, no? Shrubs and herbs for what? For what purpose? Shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes. For what purposes? Medicinal. MEDICINAL purposes. Clear this point? Now, one more point related to the second point. What is that? This is the related point of this. They used to sell these. They used it for themselves also, as well as they used to sell these medicinal products or medicinal plants and shrubs and herbs. Whatever they used to collect. Okay, who we are talking about? Which group? Which community?
Khans.
Khons. Yes. Yes, Nishtha, you are there. Nishtha Pujara.
Yes, sir.
You joined late?
Yes, sir. I joined 4 minutes late.
Acha. No problem. Have you done the homework? Do you have a worksheet?
Yes, sir. No, sir. I don't have worksheet, but I have done activity.
Acha. Very good. Then show me. Switch on the camera and show me.
Yes, sir. I sure.
Yes, beta. Show me properly, okay? Beta, why have you written in four-line book?
Sir, I was having this only at home.
Acha. But is this your regular activity book, which you used to make,
Yes,
which you have done in, means MEA1, everything you have done in this? MEA1, PA1?
Sir. So it's new one.
It's new one. Then where is MEA1 and PA1 activity book?
Sir,
Where is
that book
MEA1, PA1 activity?
Sir, that book I'm
What?
not getting. I'm not getting that book,
Why?
sir. It's lost.
Beta, what are you saying? It's lost.
Yes, sir.
How come? What happened? Why did Dhyan kyun nahi diya? What happened?
Sir, it was in my cupboard and now I'm not getting it.
अच्छा, वो क्या हो गया बच्चे? What happened?
So,
Just search for it, okay? If just once again search it properly, you might. Okay. Okay. Just search for it. If you get it, then just write this activity in that. If you get the book, okay? Otherwise, just show me. Yes, let me check. Birsa Munda was about Birsa Munda was a folk hero and freedom fighter hailing from the Munda tribe. Yes. Then he was a spearhead behind the millenarian movement. Beta, improve your handwriting little bit. Okay. Beta, your writing in 4-line means you should try to write little more, like it should touch the lines. No, if you are writing in 4-line. Anyways, no problem. Then turn the page. Acha, tribal groups. Okay, now show me. Gujarati, one Gujar and what is that? Rathwa. Okay. Rajasthan,
Gujarat.
Saharia, Rajasthan,
Kerala.
Saharia and no. In Rajasthan, what it is written? Saharia and Bhil. Okay. In
Sahar-
Kerala, beta, Kerala
Mala
spelling is
and-
wrong. Kerala spelling is wrong. Kerala will come, no? Kerala. Okay, note it down. So Kerala, who are the tribes? Who are the tribal community? Which are the tribal community? Show. In Kerala, don't shake your camera. Mola and Irular. Okay. And from Maharashtra, Banjara. Okay, fine. Then Madhya Pradesh, Baigas and show. Take away your finger from there, beta. Take your finger. Madhya Pradesh. That you can do it later, beta. Here. Okay, if you're doing now. Okay, no problem. Maharashtra, Banjara and next. Anything there? Any other name? No. Madhya Pradesh, Begas, Banjara and Gons, no? Then Assam, Appalani and which is that one? Nishi, yes, Nishi. Okay, then, okay, I have seen. Next, Andhra Pradesh, Koya, Banjara and Gons. Okay, good. Then Odisha, Paraja, Bonda, then that is Kandha. Okay, Kandha, Koya. Okay, good. Koyal, then Saura and Khandas. Okay, then next, is there anything more?
No, sir.
Or you will write down, no? Write as
Yes.
much as means these names have been written from that map only, no? I told you to write it down from map.
Yes.
Look
sir.
at the map.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine, good. So how many states you have written? 8.
8. Yes, sir.
Okay, but everyone should just look it properly. Okay, how many states are been located with these kind of tribal communities? Okay, check it once again. If it is less, then make it little more, and if it is more, then very good. Okay, if you find it more than 8 or more than 9, or if you find it 10, then you can write it 10 according to the map. Okay, just look at that map, go through that states. Which are the states? First you have to note down the states. Okay. First you have to note down the states, then you have to write down the names of the tribal community. This is how you have to do. Clear? It's better you make it like heading wise. Don't write it this way. Like Kerala, you have written Kerala, then you have put this colon, no? This way you have written, no? Like Kerala, and then you have put colon, then you have written. Don't do it like that. It's better if you make a heading. Write this Kerala like this, and make it as a heading, and then list it down. You have to write kind of a list. I told you to write it as a list. Yesterday I had written on board, no? As a list format I had written, no? The same way. Yes, beta?
Sir, can you tell activity
Hello?
again?
Beta, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Khush.
Acha. Okay. Which activity? Both. Both activity?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so listen, what is the first activity? First activity is in your book, which is at page number, a map is given of the locations of various tribal communities that are found in India. Okay, it is on page number 41.
41.
Everyone has to look. Everyone, please look. Those who are absent in previous class, or those who don't know about activity, please look. Page number 41. Okay, beta. Those who are regular students, just wait for a minute. Okay, let me repeat this activity to them, so that nobody can. So that nobody remains further for doing the activity. Okay. Yes. So it's on given on page number 41. So can you see the map? See, in that map, different, according to like state-wise, various names of tribal communities are given. So what you have to do is, particularly first you have to note down the states. Okay, in whatever states they are given, or in whatever states they are written. By looking at map itself, you will come to know that, yeah, suppose for example, in Gujarat side there are 1 Gujars and Rathwa. Yes or no? So just make it, first note down the states on one side note down the states, and पहले उसका जानकारी ले लो कि what are the states. Okay, then make it a list of states, and then move on for the making of list. First you have to note down the states. That you can do separately, not in activity book. That you can do in rough book, no problem. First note down the states in rough book and know about what are the states given. Then after that, if you are clear that yes, only this much states are there, there might be 8 or 9, no? How much? 7 or 8? 8 states are there, I think. How many?
9.
How many? Okay, 9 are given. Okay, no problem. So then note down the names of the states first. 9 states. that you can do in draft book, no problem. Don't do it in activity book. Just what I meant to say is just so that you will come to know that these are the states. Okay, first get the states, get the names of the states, then later go it for the list making in activity book. Okay, make it as a list. And Nishtha, if you have done this way, better, no problem, do it once again, do it proper, don't write like that way. Okay, make it as a list format. You have to do this activity, the first activity. Clear everyone now? Everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, second activity was, I told you to write down about Birsa Munda as much as details you can. It's up to you. If you want to write details like 2-3 pages, that also enough. That's up to you. But how much information you collect, it's up to you. Okay. Now, as much if you make a like a project type, no? Like you can paste a picture of him, and if his family background details also you can write down, no problem. It's not like who is Birsa Munda, only that is not enough. You have to collect all the information. His family photo also, if you get it, that also you can stick, so that you can get more information. Who are his families? They belong to which, like they have which kind of culture? Which kind of culture do they belong? Which kind of nature do they have? Like all A to Z details you can collect for Birsa Munda. Is it clear? Everyone? And it's better if you
Yes.
paste a picture of him and then write the detail. It's better, and not only one picture, 2-3 pictures, like different pictures if you want to paste, that's up to you. Now how you do, that's up to you. I don't know. But as much as beautiful you can make this activity, the second one, that you can do. Okay, make as much as beautiful. Okay, and collect more details. Okay. Now don't consider it as a competition, but consider it as an internal marks. Okay, it's not a competition going on, but just it's for your internal marks. Okay, so as much as beautiful you make it, that much neat and clean, and that much internal marks you may get. Okay, so make it little more collective. Okay, clear everyone? The second activity.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now I am planning to give one more activity from this chapter, means related to this chapter, that I will tell you in the coming days. Okay, not now. Means before ending the chapter I will tell you. Okay. Okay, fine. So now let's continue. Let's continue. One more activity I have in my mind for this chapter, which would be little more interesting, so that you will get to know more about this chapter. Okay, fine. So we were discussing about the Khond. The Khond community belong to Orissa. What all they collected? They collected fruits and roots, and they used many forests, shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes, and not only utilize, but also they used to sell these. They used to sell these shrubs and herbs for medicinal purposes. Now, at times they exchanged goods, okay, getting what they needed in return for their forest produce. Now, there was a time when they used to exchange this. They exchanged goods, getting what they needed in return for the forest produce. Now suppose they are tribal people, no? So they have lot items with them, because which is been provided by the forest. From forest they are getting lot of, like, n number of materials they get, no? Like fruits are there, vegetables are there, then like there are different things that they can collect from the forest or the tribal areas. Okay, so what do? They sometimes they exchange goods. How? Like when they go to the market, okay, they give, like, it was like a barter system, yes or no? They exchange goods for that. If they want to get some goods, okay, then what do? They collect these kind of forest produces, and then they used to sell it, and they, in return, they get what? They get the goods that they need, okay, or goods that are useful for them. They used to collect those goods, okay, by giving these kind of forest produces. Clear? So this is one kind of activity that was done by the which people? Khond. Yes or no? From which they belong to which place? Orissa. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Now next, And you have to reply also. Those who don't reply, monitor, be active. Okay. But a time came when supplies of produce shrank. As a result, more and more tribal people began to wander around in search for work. Now, there was a situation. Now, it's not like situation will not always be same, no? Situation changes, no? Every time it will not be the same. So, there were certain times. There was a time in which they had scarcity. Means they were having less number of forest products or forest producers. Okay, like they were having a scarcity in the forest products. So, what happened? There was a time when the scarcity arose. Okay, means in their, like they also used to trade. I told you, no? Tribal people also used to trade. It's not like only traders coming from foreign countries, they only used to trade. No, or only bhikkhus used to trade. No, tribal people also used to trade. Yes or no? So there was a time when some scarcity happened at the time when they were just exchanging of goods carried out. At that time, what happened? As a result, more and more tribal people began to wander around in search for work. Now, as there was no use of this trading, okay, because they were having scarcity. So at that time, what happened? Now they are not having anything. No, they don't have money also with them, because if they exchange, if they buy, or if they sell these kind of forest products or this kind of shrubs or herbs or medicinal products, if they used to sell, then they used to get money. This way they used to survive. But what happened? As soon when the scarcity hit them, okay, then what happened? They had a great loss, so they were now going in search for work. Okay, and there was a time came when the tribal people used to go in search for work, okay, to faraway places, or to, like, say, like in city areas. Okay, they were actually tribal people, but they used to go in search for work or job. Clear? Now, so however, Baigas remained in the forest. They did not go anywhere. Now see, there were a community named as Baigas. Now tell me, Baigas belong to which place? Where they were located? The Baigas community were located in which place? Who will tell me? I gave you the activity. From there itself you can see and say. Baigas.
Sir, Madhya Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh, no? Yes, that is the reason why I made you to do that activity. So, in this coming topics, you will only have the names of the community. So, by this activity, it will be helpful for you to understand that from which this community belong to which state. Easily you can find it out. That's why, so that is the reason why I gave this activity. Clear? So, Baigas belong to Madhya Pradesh, and I told you that due to scarcity, they used to go in search of work. Okay, that is a general thing about the tribal people. But here we are talking about Madhya Pradesh community, Madhya Pradesh tribal community. So, what is the name of the tribal community found in Madhya Pradesh? What is the name? Hello, right now just I said. Better reply. If you don't reply, hello. Hello.
Sir, repeat the question.
But I am asking, I told you this one point. What was the point? That when they used to trade also, no? I told you that they used to collect many forest products, they used to collect these medicinal products, and they used to sell. But there was a time or a time came when they had a scarcity of products. At that time, they went in search of work. Okay, means this is a general information about the tribal community. Now, about what community? Actually, we are talking about Khond. Here generally we are talking about Khond now. Okay, so this Khond community people, they used to go to faraway places and they used to sell these kind of medicinal products. Yes or no? Now there was a community, there were certain communities who used to sell these products and they used to survive with that. Okay, or some communities were there who used to They used to, like we can say, a exchange of goods was carried out. In which way? They used to go and give this forest products. So in return of that forest products, they used to get the goods that was needed for their living. Yes or no? Goods means like they might get rice, or they might get wheat, like this kind of, like which is useful for them. Yes or no? So these are certain goods that they, or edible goods, okay, which are eatable, okay, they might get these kind of products, okay, easily they are available, but for that they should have what? Forest products. But the time when they hit with the situation which was what? Scarcity. When scarcity happened, so there was no any option for them, okay, there was no any option. So what happened? Yes, beta. Hello? Hello? Somebody's mic is on? Yes, Bhumi, write the name whose mic was on. Okay, fine. Beta, what I am saying, did you understand? So there was a scarcity. In that scarcity, they used to go in search of work. But there was a community named what? What is the name of the community of Madhya Pradesh?
Baigas.
Baigas, yes, Baigas. Baigas community did not go in search of work. They didn't go in search of work because they, even though they were facing the situation of scarcity in the forest products that was available with them, but Baigas are the kind of community which belong to the Madhya Pradesh, okay, state Madhya Pradesh, but they did not go in search of work, or they did not wander in search of work. Okay, now there might be some reason behind. Reason is not mentioned, but still you need to know. It's not like every tribal community people facing the trouble just used to wander here and there. No. So there were some people who were actually well with the situation. They can handle. There were a kind of tribal people who used to handle the situations. Clear? So Baigas remained in the forest. They did not go anywhere. They didn't wander here and there. For what purpose? For what purpose? Hello?
For searching work.
For searching work, they did not wander. Okay. Now, let's connect this topic. So, let's connect this topic to the next one. What is that? That is, some were hunters and gatherers. So, among them, okay, among this tribal community people, some were hunters and gatherers. So, let's see who were they? Who were the hunters and gatherers? In many regional tribal groups lived by hunting animals and gathering forest produce. Okay, they saw forest as essential for survival. Okay, so forest was like an asset for them. What do you mean by asset? Okay, like it was means without forest they cannot live. It was a world for them. Okay, means without forest they cannot imagine a life. So forest was that much close to their emotion, means they had an emotion. Okay, means you know everything what they have with them is only because of the forest. That is why they have an attachment with forest. Yes or no? The tribal group of people, okay, some of them were hunter and gatherers, as I told you. So hunter and gatherers means they have an emotion, they have an attachment with the forest. Why? Because they don't lack in various things that they actually have. What all things are with them, they are only having just because of this forest products or forest produces. Clear? They regularly went on collective hunts and then divided the meat amongst themselves. Okay, so Khons were such community. Okay, now several tribal groups engaged in heeding and rearing animals. Now there were certain tribal groups that were also involved in the activity known as rearing animals. Do you know what do you mean by that? Do you know what do you mean by that? Heeding and rearing. Rearing of animals. Anybody knows? Herding and rearing of animals. Hello? Anybody? Does anybody have an idea? Hello, but I am asking something. Don't waste my time. Hello, but what's the time? Time is over or?
It's 46, sir. 4 minutes left.
Acha, 4 minutes are there. Okay, no problem. So we were, what I was asking about the herding and rearing. Several tribal groups were engaged in feeding or rearing animals. Herding or rearing animals. What do you mean by that? Anybody knows? Hello?
Yes, sir, to look after someone. Means they took care of animals.
Yes, means they in return, because animals, they used to get something from animals, means animal used to give them milk, no, or milk products are easily available to them. So in return of that, they used to take care of that. They used to rear them. They used to take care of these animals. Means as in return, because they are providing them something, means they are also, in return of that, they are also giving them something. That is protection of their life. They also used to look after the animals. Okay. So they were who moved cattle with them.
So voice
The
is
kind
not
of
coming clear.
move from them. So they used to take along with them. Clear? Now, Labadis of
Your
Anil
voice
and
Sir, your
Labadis
voice is cutting.
Hello, is it coming now?
Yes, sir, now coming.
So, okay, no problem. We'll keep up to this. We'll continue tomorrow. So this much understood, beta. Today's lecture understood. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, so what's the homework you already know? Okay, again, just read the whole chapter. I think whole chapter is over. No, I told you to read yesterday which page? I told you to read page number 41, 42 and 43. Up till 43 I told you to read. Then how did colonial rule affect the tribal lives? That we will do. Okay, how did it affect the tribal chiefs? That we will do by tomorrow. And hopefully by tomorrow, then what was the problem with their trade? That also we will see. Then forest laws, what were the forest laws and their impact? Okay, what was the impact that happened in forest laws? That also we will see. Then search for work. How did they went in search for work? And about Birsa Munda, it's already given. Okay, still you have to do it as an activity and try to find more details. Clear? So that's the homework, and try to do the worksheet. By next week, I need the worksheet. Clear? Okay, so that's it for today. Now I'm for attendance. Everyone please be attentive. Don't go. Okay, fine. So beta, that's it. I hope that you understood. See you all in the next lecture. Take care. Complete your notes. Bye-bye.